Hi folks, I'm Greg. I'm a long-term data platform MVP and a member of the Microsoft Regional Director Program. I've worked with the Microsoft Data Platform from when it first began. Over that time, I've pretty much seen everything that people do right and wrong when they're using these tools. For years, I've been wanting to get to the Data Platform Summit, but it just hasn't worked out. This year, I'm so happy I've been able to have the opportunity to be part of it virtually. I love the way it's expanded to a truly global summit with sessions round the clock. At the event, I'm delivering a pre-con training session on implementing Power BI in the enterprise. One of the awesome things about Power BI is how easy it is to get started with. In fact, the team had a mantra of 5 minutes to wow. You can certainly do a lot very quickly, but the challenge with this though, particularly for enterprises, is what happens next. How do you make Power BI work for you in an enterprise? If you're after a session on making better visualizations in Power BI, this isn't the session for you. But if you want to learn how I implement Power BI in an enterprise, I'd love to see you there. I'll show you how we do things. I'll start by looking at how we create great underlying data models, both in the database and in tabular designs in analysis services and Power BI Premium. I'll show you how we use Data Factory for robust data loading and for processing tabular models. I'll show you how we manage projects and source control, and even more importantly, how we work with identity and security. There's a lot to learn. The class is much lower cost than what you'll see at other conferences, and a real bonus is that attendees get to access the recordings later. That usually doesn't happen at these types of conferences. I hope you don't miss the opportunity to attend, and while you're at it, make sure you sign up for the whole conference. Again, it's an amazingly low price, and it'll give you access to around 200 recorded sessions later. I really hope to see you there.